This might be the most dangerous American car ever made. A sinister black V8 eater so terrifying it forced GM to terminate production before it could embarrass the Corvette any further. Meet the Buick GNX. In 1987, Buick partnered with McLaren to create this legendary machine that was faster than a Ferrari Testarossa 911 Turbo and even the Corvette of that era. Under its hood is a turbocharged 3.8-liter V6 that was seriously underrated at 276 horsepower. Real-world dynos exposed the truth. This budget Buick was cranking nearly 340 horsepower and 360 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 in just 4.6 seconds. Just 547 examples of the GNX were built. Compare that to nearly 20,200 in 1987 alone, and the ultra-rare Turbo TWE4 with only 1,500 units. This sinister black coupe is one of the rarest muscle cars ever created.